Hi, welcome to this tutorial series on Spring IOC. So, in this video, I'm going to explain about inner beans and how inner beans concept works and how we can use a bean inside other beans and what is the real use of a inner bean. So that I'm going to explain in this video. So I will be taking this project as an example. So this is the project that I already created for different concept of Spring IOCs. So let's create a inner bean. So for inner bean, I have these two Pojo classes, project and comment class. So since project class have a instance variable comment, if you see the project class, so project class has an instance variable as comment. So we can use this comment as an inner bean inside our spring.xml file. So I think as of now we are able to understand how we can declare a bean that I have covered in my last couples of video. So so here in this file we have actually I have created two beans. One is project bean, so this is our project bean, and here I have three properties, and here I'm using constructor injection prop and setter injection. So for this tutorial I don't need these two properties. I just need this property comment. So inner bean is something. If you take this example, we have a reference tag here that refer to this bean. So I have used this reference tag to inject the object of a class. So this is the object injection that is currently happening here. Since we have a reference tag is referred to this bean, and this bean is already having the bean definition in this spring.xml file. So since I'm not using this bean anywhere else, I'm just using this bean inside the project only. So in that case we can move it from here and we can create the inner bean and then put it there, because right now I don't have any other beans that is those are using this comment bean. So we can directly put it into the property tag, and then we can create an inner bean such a way. So let's put it here. So this is the configuration that we have to do for the inner bean. So here we don't need the ID, because ID we generally use when we have a bean declared that we are going to get from the bean from any application context using get bean. So right now this bean is only used within this project bean, because if you see our project class, this comment is an instance variable in our project class. So so now we can put this as an inner bean inside this comment. So we don't need any ID for this bean. So let's save it, and let's change the toString method. So this toString method that I was using for the testing purpose. So let's use the same one. So we have to print the comment only. So comment dot get this description. So if we see the comment class, so this is the comment class. Their comment have ID and description. So here I'm actually printing the ID and description of the comment class, and in my spring.xml I'm setting the value for the ID and comment description inside the comment property. So I don't need this reference also. So this is the way we can create an inner bean inside the property tag. So if I have some more beans that in current example I have only one object in this class, that is comment object. If I have some more object of different classes, so I can use those objects within the property tag and I can create an inner bean and put those all objects there. If those objects are not used anywhere else in other beans. So let's test it now. I think we did the configuration and we have changed. We don't need this shutdown hook. This was created only for to test the bean life cycle. This was my last video. So let's print the project object. Okay, so we can run it now. I think there is an error. No default constructor found. Need no such method exception. Okay, I think there is some problem here because this one I was using for my last tutorial. So let's remove this also. We don't need init methods. So this was for the bean life cycle. So we are not discussing the bean life cycle here. We are discussing the inner bean. So let's run it now. Okay, there is one more error. Let's check it. Okay, let's check this class. Set and okay. I think the problem uh, is not the bean life cycle. There is some different errors saying no default constructor found in project. Okay, let's create a default constructor in project class. And let's run it again. Okay, so now it is working. So if we see our swing.xml file, we have id as a 10 and we have a description. Please provide project start date for comments. So it is working. Our inner bean is working. So in this way we can create the inner bean. So if we have a bean that is only used within other bean only, so in that way we can create the inner bean. So that's all for video about the inner bean. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.